So if you find yourself in recovery mode on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra, this is what it looks like. And let me show you how to get out of recovery mode. So in recovery mode, you cannot use the touchscreen. But of course, you can use the volume rockers to scroll up and down. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up. So you want to make sure you scroll all the way up to the top option, which says Reboot System Now, and then use the power button to select that. So once that is highlighted, press the power button, and that's going to reboot your tablet back into One UI. So that is basically how to exit recovery mode on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.